Hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. We are so close to leaving for King of the Hammers 2024. There's still some things to be done on the race vehicle, but that's okay. Today, I'm going to be concentrating on getting the trucks prepped. Now, the Tacoma is actually going to be one of the chase trucks. There's a couple of things I need to get done on her before she is ready to go. The first being, I'm going to switch out the tires again. I actually switched from the MT2s to the XTs because I wanted to see how they worked, and I really love them. But for King of the Hammers and getting out there and being on the lake bed for 2 weeks and being a chase truck, I think the MT2s are gonna be a little better for us. So we're gonna do that. We're just gonna zip those ones off, put those ones back on, and take a look at what came in for good old Oma the Tacoma. Ta-da! That is right. I'm going to be putting in a decked drawer in the bed of Oma the Tacoma. So excited about this because now I know that when I'm on the lake bed, everything that's inside the drawers is going to be protected. And I also have a flat surface on the top. Now, last year, we literally loaded everything that we could into the back of that bed, and it just got destroyed with the dust and the dirt. So this is really gonna help us out. So it's time to open this bad boy up, take a look what we've got, and put it in Oma the Tacoma. Whoa, there seems to be a lot here, so I'm gonna have to unpack this. But before I do this, I am gonna switch over those tires first so that that is completely done, and then we will get back to business. Okay, it's the next day. It got a little late last night and I was making a video for you guys. And then I had another trail this morning and the barbecue is today. You guys are going to be arriving here in a couple of hours. But before then, we have to get the deck system in the back of Oma the Tacoma. So Maddie and I are on that. Let's see what we can do. So we're going to pull the hooks off that are in that space, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Because that's about where it needs to be.
Yeah, it's like right where it is. Well, let's see, 2.5 inches. It's looking about right. Like those are
Right in the way?
no. Well, yeah, these need to come off.
Yeah.
For our new plate to go on those holes.
Okay, Maddie, stop yelling at me.
I wasn't yelling. I was just talking forcefully. Happy, how are you doing?
You're happy, I like it.
Fat and happy.
Okay, so inside the shop, there's been a lot going on, believe it or not. Not only have we had the barbecue now, I have been spraying wheels and the fender flares today. And guess who is back? Back again. Chris. He's back. He's back again. Entangled in the wires of Nessie yet again.
Yet again.
Yet again. He has been working hard and we're going to be firing this up very soon. So hold on a second. Yes, the kill switch.
Yes, okay,
Killed
fire
him.
back up. Are those 2 fuel pumps now?
No, we have one.
No, so this is ignition to everything here, turns the panel on.
Okay.
This should be your center fan.
Kill switch works, everything works.
Everything works. She starts again. I am so happy and excited and kind of relieved about that, to be honest with you. I was having PTSD about last year and it just never starting until 24 hours before we actually left for the race. So super exciting. We're out for tonight and we'll be back with you guys tomorrow. And it's the next day. It is super gloomy today, but I wanted to show you the decked system since we finished that the other day. So check this out. Now I do have more of these boxes, but this has been a complete life changer already. You guys think that I'm joking. I'm really, really not. Just yesterday I hopped out and I filled all the power tanks up before heading out to Johnson Valley. And normally I do something pretty dangerous. I have them in the back of the truck with me and I had 6 tanks to fill up. Well, I just opened this bad boy up and put all of them in here and closed it. And that was it. Traveled to and from, got them filled up nice and safely, put them back in here, and ta-da, that's it done. So, sounds very dramatic when I say this has changed my life, but this really has changed my life so far. It's going to be so fantastic having this and having a lot of storage in here that's not going to get dusty and disgusting. This has been open the last year when we went to King of the Hammers. We threw everything in the back here, like I said before, and it just... a lot of stuff got pretty destroyed just with the elements out there, but having this is perfect. And you can still use these D-rings down here, tie stuff down on top. So even although I thought that maybe I would miss having the full bed in here, you can still store stuff on top of here and just tie it down. So thumbs up from me. I'll show you what else has been happening. A lot of different kind of prep going on, not only with the cars, but with the trucks, and we haven't even touched the trailers yet. But let me switch you around. We have some really good looking Firestone tires on the dually, the XTs. They're looking really, really good. Fresh new tires, a good tread on there, so we know that we're going to be safe on the road to and from. And I think you're actually going to be able to see the dually and the tires on here at the Firestone booth at Johnson Valley. If you are going to be heading there, definitely go check it out. I don't know when we're putting it in there, but yeah, take a look at them. It's awesome. But now let's head back into the shop because obviously there's more stuff going on. Okay, we have the wheels right here. I picked the wrong color before, so I switched them up. Let me show you why we switched them up. Hey, Maddie.
Hi.
What a little gem. Hey, Wall. Oh, we have things going on in here with Chris.
Howdy.
Howdy, howdy. But check this out. I am loving this. I really wanted the tartan to pop out, and I really feel like it does that with the color of wheel now. So I'm going to stop chit-chatting. I'm going to hop on some of the jobs I need to get done with these guys. And let's see how far we get done today. can see, so many things have been happening and so many people have been around to help, so thank you. And also a huge thank you to everyone who came to the barbecue. I can't wait for the next one. Now this is going to be the last episode before we head on out for King of the Hammers. YOLO's now arrived and we want to answer your questions. So if you have a question for YOLO and I for this year's King of the Hammers, then leave that in the comment below and we'll get that answer to you in the next episode. But for now, I gotta head on in, help the guys out. So thanks for watching.